Trinity, the B1 GESE mock exams. Our candidate today is Reena, and we actually saw Reena before, but she asked if she could try again because she went and prepared some more, her topic based on our discussion. So we did her topic again, so you'll see the same topic form, but I did different questions this time. And we did two different examiner topics. We did music and special occasions. Good afternoon. This is the Trinity Grade 5 GESE exam. My name is Mrs. Examiner. What is your name, please?
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Reena Kumari.
And Reema, how are you today?
I am good and I feel great today. And how are you, teacher?
Oh, good, thank you. What is your topic for today, please?
Okay, my topic is cooking, my hobby cooking.
Cooking. And what are your 5 subpoints, please?
My sub point are how I learned to cook. And second one, things I learned from YouTube about cooking. And third one, why I love cooking. And fourth, things I prefer to cook. And five, my plan to cook for my dinner.
What was that again? 5?
My plan to cook for my dinner.
Okay. And so tell me, do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I really enjoy cooking.
And what type of things do you cook?
Usually I like to I like to cook rice recipes like biryani and vegetable fried rice and different recipes.
Those sound interesting. How did you learn how to cook?
When I was 13-year-old, and I used to help my mother in the kitchen, and I learned basic things like how to cut vegetable and try simple meals like white boiled rice. Yeah.
Those sound lovely. And what do you prefer to cook? Rice or desserts?
Um,
What do you prefer to cook?
I prefer to cook rice. I don't like to cook chapati.
Ah, and why do you prefer to cook rice instead of chapati?
Because rice is more easier than cook chapati.
Okay. And did you did you learn from your mother, you said? Where else have you learned how to cook?
Sorry, can you say repeat that?
You said you learned to cook from your mother, right?
Yes.
And where else? Have you learned from other places?
Yes, I also learned from YouTube. YouTube.
Ah.
Yeah.
What things have you learned from YouTube?
So many things I learned from YouTube because new ingredients and new way to cook, cooking style.
Mm.
Yeah, and some countries traditional foods. Yeah.
Oh, how interesting. Have you learned many traditional recipes?
Yes, from YouTube.
What type of recipes have you learned?
I learned so many Indian recipes. Yeah, dosa, pani puri, and burger, Indian burger, and yeah, so many things. So yeah,
Do you usually cook Indian food?
yes, I like to cook.
And how often do you cook?
Um, Almost every day. I
Oh,
like
wow.
to cook.
Ah. Have you ever taught anyone how to cook?
Not yet.
This is an interruption because it's important. Present perfect. This is the 3rd time I asked Reena a present perfect question. And I want to point it out to you because it will be on the exam, some type of present perfect. And have you ever is often the type examiners use. We like it because it's easy and it's present perfect. So if you hear a question like this, have you ever taught anyone how to cook? Your first sentence is always going to be positive or negative. Yes, I have taught someone to cook. Or, no, I haven't taught someone to cook. Or, no, I have never taught someone to cook. So that's sentence one, present perfect. When you are asked a present perfect question, you answer in present perfect. Yes, I have taught someone to cook. No, I have not taught someone to cook. And then sentence two is the detail. I taught my son to cook last year. Simple past. Or, I don't have the patience to teach someone to cook. Present. Do you have a favorite meal that you like to cook?
Yes, I love cooking. I love to cook biryani
Oh, and why do you love to cook biryani?
because it makes me feel happy. When I cook biryani, I feel very happy.
And do you have plans? What will you cook next?
I have planned to cook biryani tonight.
Do you cook vegetable biryani or what do you cook with it?
I like to cook vegetable and chickpea biryani.
Oh, nice. And have you ever cooked other cuisines, food from other countries?
No.
And can you ask me a question about cooking?
Okay, what type of food do you like to cook?
I love to cook vegetarian meals. Let's move on to music.
Okay.
Can you tell me, is music an important part of your life?
Yes, I think music is important for my life.
And what types of music do you listen to? What genres?
I like pop music,
Ah, pop music. Do you like pop music from your original country or from the UK?
Indian Indian pop music. Yeah.
And why do you like Indian pop music?
Because when I listen the Indian pop music, I feel relaxed.
Mm. Music does have that effect on people, doesn't it? And
Um, Sorry,
do you
carry
listen
on.
to music in the morning or in the evening?
At night because when my baby asleep that time.
Ah, so you can relax and listen to music.
Yes.
And have you played your Indian music for your children?
Yes. Also.
Do they enjoy it also?
Not very much. My both girls enjoying a baby Barbie girl UK or English songs
No,
because he sing on the outside. I think listen to the outside. That is why I think.
so do your children prefer British music to Indian music?
Yes, she both are born here, so
So they like,
British music. Yeah.
and have you ever listened to English music yourself?
Yes, when I came here, I love to listen UK music. Yeah.
And do you listen to music at other times of day when you're doing things like cooking or exercising?
No,
Have you ever been to a concert, to live music?
not yet. But I hope in the future I go there one day.
And what type of music will you listen to next?
Um, Classical music.
Like classic is very relaxing, isn't it?
Yes, I like to uh, next listen classical music. Yeah, in the UK.
And can you ask me a question about music?
Okay, what type of music you like?
I love pop music because I like happy songs.
Okay.
Let's change and talk about special occasions. Have
Okay.
you recently celebrated any special occasions in your life? Birthday, anniversary, graduation?
Yes, 2 months ago, I celebrate my older sister birthday, older daughter birthday.
Ah, and what did you do to celebrate? Did you have a party or a meal?
Yes, I decorated my house and I cooked my traditional food and I invite my friends to come
Ah.
home.
And so you had a traditional Indian party with your daughter or
Uh,
Pakistani party.
yes,
How old was your daughter for this birthday?
she's turned to 3 years.
Ah, 3 years. And did you buy her a special gift for 3 years old?
Yes, I buy for her favorite dress. I
Oh,
bought for her favorite dress.
oh, and was it a favorite color?
Uh, she likes red color.
Oh, how lovely. And has she ever celebrated a birthday in your home country or only in the UK?
Only on the UK.
And do you think kids prefer to have birthdays at home or do they prefer to go out and play
Uh,
somewhere?
I think it's prefer to go out and playing with her friends in outside.
Oh, why? Why do you think kids prefer to go outside birthdays?
Maybe he don't like sitting stay at home all the day.
And do you have plans? What do you think you will do next year for your daughter's birthday?
Next year maybe I have planning to go in other city and we celebrate there.
And have you celebrated a birthday in the UK?
My
Yeah, have you ever celebrated a birthday in the UK or your own
uh,
birthday?
only I cut cake, so not too much celebration here.
So
Celebrate here.
do you think kids prefer smaller parties or big parties than adults?
I think it's likes to big parties.
Why?
Because he like to crowded at home. So I think.
Okay. And can you ask me a question about special occasions?
Okay. Um, uh, when your birthday?
I just celebrated my birthday in March.
March. Okay. How do you celebrate your birthday?
I'm old. I don't celebrate it. Maybe cake like you.
Oh,
And that's the end of our exam today. Thank you for coming today.
okay. Thank you.
So what do you think? Sounds better, doesn't it? I can tell she prepared some more because there are fewer errors between the present tense and the continuous, which sounds really great. Present perfect is still a weakness. I still did not hear any present perfect any time in this exam, so the present perfect might hold her back from getting that pass with distinction. She has a strong interest in cooking, and that shows when she talks about her topic. And that's really great because it shows that energy and enthusiasm about the topic that examiners like to see. One thing, and I see this sometimes with people from certain cultures, that when the examiner asks the question, do you like this or that? Do you like summer or winter holidays? Do you like coffee or tea? And you answer, I like coffee. And then the examiner will say, why do you like coffee? I like coffee because I like the taste of it. For example, give the examiner the full sentence at the beginning. Do you like coffee or tea? I like coffee because I like the taste better than the taste of tea. Give them the whole sentence. You can still pass this exam if you say, I like coffee, and then the examiner says why, and then you give the reason. But if you want to show more advanced English, it's normal for English speakers to give you the whole sentence. In other countries, you might think, oh, that's too much information. The examiner didn't ask why, they just asked coffee or tea. But in English, we want to say why automatically. I like coffee because, I like tea because. But I I think Rita will pass this exam. Will she get a higher pass with merit, maybe? Pass with distinction? We'll see. She'll let us know once she finds out the results, but I think she's in a good position right now to pass this exam. Keep studying, keep learning English.